Hi guys, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk.Blair. I'm going to show you this 2014 Evo by Forest River. It's actually a T2050 model. It's about 25 foot or so. Anyways, I'm going to do a quick little walk around. It's a beautiful day out here in Junction City, Oregon. Two large propane tanks are on the front of this. We put new batteries right here. I'm going to walk around this side here. I want to show you some of the components on the outside. A couple things nice about this is it has double slide out, so it does make it a larger living area. It is a rear bath model, so we'll kind of get and I'll show you that. Storage bay all the way across the front. We gotta like the storage. Can't have enough of that. All right, so one slide out on this side. But as we kind of make our way around, I want to show you your water hookups and all that stuff here. You got your city water. It does have a sewer flush. You do have an outdoor shower and your gravity feed water fill. As you make your way around the unit, you got a spare tire on the back. And you also have a power awning that's almost the length of the unit. It goes pretty far on this side. It does have outdoor speakers. It is a pretty nice clean unit. It's all here. You do have a slide on this side as well. And it makes a nice big kitchen in there, and there's an island with a sink in it. And let's go inside and I'll show you that. So you kind of make your way inside this unit. You see it's very roomy for like a 25 footer about. You got your kitchen area, some drawers, stainless appliances, counter space, bigger fridge. Good size everything in here as far as being usable. An island with a sink in it, and so you got a little more room in the covers. It's pretty nice that way. A dinette, a larger booth style dinette with the chair that, excuse me, not the chair, the table that folds down and allows it to be a bed. It's folded down right now. And then we need to mount a TV in here. There is not a TV in here now, but this is where a TV would be. It swivels around to the bedroom. In the bedroom, plenty of storage as well in here. You got closets on both sides. You got storage up top. This, I believe, is full LED lights in here. It is actually not LED lights, I apologize. But it is, you know, well lit, nice unit. I don't have batteries on it at this time. But it is open and very nice. It is a rear bath model. So if you notice, real quick, I'll show you the bathroom. The bathroom has a nice square enclosed glass shower, which is nice and roomy. It does have a decent medicine cabinet, a little sink and countertop back there. And then I also like this right here. There's a little closet kind of in the back with some more storage. It is deep and pretty large. That way you can, you know, more storage. So this unit and anything else here at Guaranty, like I say, my name is Kirk.Blair. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. I'm totally happy to help you out on anything we have out here in our lot and look forward to helping you. Have a great day.